Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis. Let's get straight into the charts. This is going to be a real quick video. I'm about to go to the hot tub, hang out with some buddies. I hope you guys are doing amazing on this Monday, August 1st. As we can clearly see, Bitcoin is holding close to those $23,000 levels. However, it is not spiking through yet. Okay, let's get straight into Dogelon, the one and only Mars. Crypto billionaire 69. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis videos. 6.6%. We are down right now. Okay, what does this mean? What does this mean? As we could okay. I want all of you beautiful people who have not seen the last video, don't click off now, but after you watch this video, go and watch the last video, because we were talking about what we need to be looking out for, and we are seeing what we talked about in that video right now. If that sounds confusing, I'll just go over what we were talking about. So pretty much, this is an upward trend line. We have seen higher lows. One low here, one low here, one low here. Now we are looking at this previous low here. Right here is where we are hitting, okay? Now, what do we want to see? We want to see major volume come in and step higher. Not on the daily candles. We want to drop time frames to these hourly candles. Now, if I'm going a little bit too fast, I'll slow it down for you here in a second, okay? For all of you who are keeping up, props to you, my friends. Okay. Here we go. We've seen a major spike and then a lull. Okay, now it hit a bottom. This is important. Why? Because it spiked again, came back and made another higher low. What does this indicate? It indicates a triple bottom in this upward trend line, moving to the upside in a bullish pattern. Okay, so what do we need to look for? We want to watch for a nice little move, as we're seeing here, down to this blue line around these 3-1 levels. Okay, I'm going to draw a quick horizontal line for you guys so it makes it really easy and simple. These 3-2-1-7s is what we're looking at here. Okay, if it comes down and we start to see a major volume spike and green candles come, all you day traders, this is major, okay, because this is a very, very strong pattern. If it comes down and we see another spike above this previous resistance level right here, and right here, then it will be, that's confirmation, my friends. This is the range we're watching. This is the consolidation range. If it spikes through this with volume and you're a day trader, it is important to average in your full position. Okay, now this is what I would do for all you beautiful day traders out there making a lot of money in the markets, because there's a lot of money to be made. This is a strategy that I have been using for years now, and it helps a lot with mitigating risk and maximizing profit. I'm going to go over it real tight and real soon. So stay tuned and stay focused. Let's get straight into this pattern. As it comes lower, as it starts to approach these 3-2-1-6 levels, you want to watch. And you want to watch not even on the hourly candles, but if you're day trading, you want to watch more around these 15-minute candles, okay? As it comes, you want to see the volume start to taper down. Okay, once the volume tapers down, let's see if we can see a little bit of something like this. See how the volume tapered down? That's not a very good example, but the volume will be much less than this big spike here. Once you see that, it's a nice move to average in as it is hitting these 3-2-1-6 levels. But don't average in with your full portfolio. On this channel, we use the 1/4 rule. This is all opinions, my friends. This is what I use. I am not liable if you lose all your money. Okay, this is just how I make money in the markets. So don't come suing my ass if you lose money. This is my simple crypto billionaire 69 opinions, and this is what has made me money. Okay, let's get straight into this strategy. It's very important. As it comes down, you want to average in 1/4 of your portfolio. This is what I do. Once you average in that 1/4, you want to hold. Okay, now what happens? You want to wait. Okay, if it goes negative, okay, you have 1/4 in, you're in a minor loss. It is much better than if you average in your entire portfolio here. Okay, that means you're at a semi-major loss because you are putting a lot more leverage on the line. So as it comes down, you want to average in that 1/4 right along this support line, right along these 3-2-1-6 levels, 3-2-1-2s, right around this area. You want to average in 1/4 of your portfolio. So let's say you're averaging $250 here. As it comes back up to the middle, okay, for example, we want to draw this Fibonacci level right here. As it comes to this 0.5%, this is important stuff, my friends, so stay tuned. As it comes to this 0.5% right here, I'm going to go ahead and clear this up for you guys. You want to average in another 1/4, okay? Now, This is important. If it comes up here and rejects, you want to watch. You want to hold. You want to see a confirmation candle with volume, big green candle with volume, pushing through this level in order to average in that second 1/4, that 50%, that other $250. So once you get into there, then you wait, and see how it moves. Okay, you want to watch it close. This is for all you day traders out there. This is important stuff. As it moves higher, you want to watch this next resistance level, and do the same thing. If you see a confirmation candle, you average in the rest of your 1/4 until you are 100% averaged in. Okay, once you are 100% averaged in, make sure, this is one of the most important things, and I haven't told many people this. This is course material. Make sure you have a take profit mark. Let's say your take profit mark is right here at these 3.525 levels. That means once it hits these 3.525 levels, just take your profits, okay? Just take your profits. This is day trading. If you're long-term investing, then right now is a great time to just start averaging in, dollar cost averaging over a couple weeks, honestly. Weeks to months. Currently, I am using Gemini. I have a recurring buy system, so it automatically every single week buys me more Dogelon Mars, more Polygon, more Bitcoin, more Ethereum whenever I choose to do so. It automatically does that, pulls it from my bank account and then straight into the crypto, which is very, very helpful because you don't have to watch the charts if you're long-term investing. It's quite easy, honestly. But if you're trying to day trade, these strategies, this is one of many. This strategy is one of the best and one of the most simplest for mitigating your risk and maximizing your profits. Okay, here we go. We're starting to see that little spike. This is the 2 hourly candles, but we saw a little spike to the downside right here. Why we've been watching. Very important. Anyways, crypto being at 69. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Check out the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts and daily updates in the market, my friends. The link is in the description. I have a weird feeling that we're going to start to see some more action in the markets coming up. Don't ask me why. It's just a feeling. And I've had these feelings before. The last feeling I got was at the peak of Ethereum around that $4,300 level. So we shall see, my friends, but it is looking nice, very nice. For all of you beautiful hodlers who have been around this channel, for all you OGs who have been watching this channel since the day one, okay? You'll understand. We're on the moon. We're going to Mars, okay? We haven't stopped to the moon yet. We're just refueling right now. We're pretty much underground. The rocket hasn't even emerged out of the ground yet, okay? But once it emerges out of the ground, more people are going to start to see the rocket. And more people are going to start taking pictures, posting it on social media, telling people about how this rocket is going to be the first one to reach Mars. And what's going to happen? Well, I'll tell you what I hope doesn't happen. I hope the rocket doesn't go to the moon and then explode, okay? I don't think that will happen. I think we're going to go to the moon. And what is the moon, okay? You guys are probably thinking, like, what the heck are you even talking about, bro? You're talking gibberish. The moon, this is real simple. This is very, very simple, what we're looking at right here, okay? The moon, this is 200% of this overall all-time high. 53, okay, 53. But if you were getting a little more technical, using different technical time trends and Fibonacci sequences, around this 37 mark, I remember doing the math back in the day. Around this 37 mark is where we need to watch for our next resistance level once it begins to spike again. You got to keep long-term perspective, okay? When in doubt, zoom out. So let's just go ahead and go to the monthly candles. These 37 levels are going to be great, okay? Once this thing starts to spike, I can't stress enough how important it is to just be patient. You know what I mean? Just be patient. Nothing in life is worth having unless you put a lot of work and patience into it. So you don't need to put much work into it other than watching these videos every day or joining the Patreon so you have real-time notifications when a good buy alert is coming on. And you get daily updates. But besides that, you just need to be, if you're long-term investing at least, you just need to be recurring, get those recurring buys set up, start investing a specific amount every week, and preferably if you could do it every other day, that would be best, especially since we are so low right now. If you could start putting more money into the coins that you believe in right now as the markets are low. We could go lower, but right now the markets are clearly very, very low, along with the economic turbulence and the sentiment in the markets are just very skeptical right now, which is good. Okay, a lot of people don't think that's good, but it is very good because it allows us to get those discounted prices before mom and pop step back in to push it higher. Okay, and the institutions, my friends, most of this stuff is very very manipulated by big money. But what we do, we don't complain here. All we got to do to make money is follow the money. Follow the big money. Get in when the big money's getting in, and get out when the big money is getting out. But on this channel, we get out before the big money's getting out, or average in to the spike, to the top. We average out at the top. So what would that look like? For example, here, if this was an overall move, now we're looking at the hourly candles, so this is not very accurate. However, let's say in general, as the institutions come down and start adding more bags around these levels here, that's when we will add. As it spikes, this is when we will begin to average out as we start seeing these major fat gains, okay? It seems easy, and it is easy. The only thing that gets in the way is emotion and greed. So, if you are a robot like me, then you will make a lot of money in the markets. If you're not a robot like me, then just, listen to my opinions and try to formulate your own trading strategy. Because the biggest thing, my friends, it's not even the technical analysis. It's not even the emotional analysis. Now, those things play a major key role in making money, because if you don't understand what the markets are doing, then you're pretty much lost in the dust. But the biggest thing is, in the markets ever, the biggest thing that matters is your mindset. If you are in a losing mindset, you're only going to lose money. If you're in a gambling mindset, you might win some money, you might win a shit ton of money, but over the long run, you're going to lose your money. If you're in an investing mindset, taking small profits for a long amount of time, you will become wealthy over a long enough time horizon if you just don't lose money. The number one rule for billionaires, there's only 3 rules. Number 1 is don't lose money. Number 2 is don't lose money. And number 3 is don't forget rules number 1 and 2. Crypto Billionaire 69 enlightening you guys for the day. Hope you guys are being beautiful and having a safe time with your family in this beautiful August 1st. Let's make August great again, okay? August is going to be a great month, and got a weird feeling about the crypto markets. And I have a weird feeling you guys will see me more active on YouTube. I haven't been very active just because we've been in the slumps and pretty much updating you guys every single day on like the red candles. I'm sure some of you want it, but most of the, it's not worth my time, to be completely honest with you. There's just not too much movement going on, if you know what I'm saying. There's not too much money to be made in the markets right now. The best thing to be doing is just adding those bags right now. Now, I've been saying that for a long time, so all of you beautiful people who have chosen to follow my opinions is amazing, okay? I hear your emails, I see your Patreon posts, and I love hearing your feedback. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. My email's in the description. We can hop on a call if needed. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.